Hi, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from me, Naftali, and our campaign to Ukraine for my in-laws' refugee status to get away from the war and to help some wounded soldiers over there in the civil war inspired by Russia's Putin when his puppet was ousted almost a year ago as the president, Yanukovych, and the public over there, the citizens, wanted to be free of the great bear Russia. Unfortunately, caught up in that, and just at a time where we were planning to get married after 4 years, was my fiancée Nina, and her mom took a turn for the worse this year, 2014, being diagnosed with cancer back in June, about 6 months ago. So we've had one obstacle after the other, but this war is really scary. And the latest development, and this is our final update for the campaign to Ukraine, which ends in just a few days, as I do this video, in just 7 days. So I wanted to give this update. Read about it when you're finished. Scroll down here and you'll find all about the needs, wants, desires, and rewards that we can give in exchange for your quick donation. Last week, at an event that honored my mother's 90th birthday, a tribute, I was able to raise over $150, which will be posted probably tomorrow because today is not a banking day, Christmas Day. And so now we're up over $500, I believe. We'd like to get to 1,000 by New Year's Eve. And at midnight, New Year's Eve, December 31st, January 2015, we'll shut the campaign down and take whatever money we have raised and send it to my fiancée Nina and save some, start a savings account, maybe for a future project or future fundraiser, as long as this war, civil war, Russian inspired, in southeastern Ukraine, 150 miles from where my Nina is, persists. And things are bad over there. Water gets cut off, electricity, off and on, the normal things that we take for granted here in the United States, you can't take for granted over there. War is hell, and when war breaks out, anything goes. If you've seen any of these flyers here in America, in New York, it's me, Naftali. Please give, season's greetings, happy holidays, and we hope to hear from you because your donation will make a huge difference. Getting my fiancée out of a mental clinic because she's had a nervous breakdown, and you probably would too. She's the only child, trying to help her mom. Her father died 2 years ago, I believe, in December, and trying to work with war and all the stuff and the stress. She's diagnosed with low blood pressure recently, depression, and heart palpitations. And she wrote me at first, it was unbelievable. But after 4 years, and when she sent me pictures of her in the mental clinic getting treated with injections and things like that, that's no good. So we've got to get her out of there. Everybody I talk to here says, you got to get her out of there, Naftali. Well, it takes money. Unfortunately, everything comes down to money. So please give often, give soon, because we only have a few days left, the rest of the days of 2014, for you to give here at crowdrise.com, a great fundraising crowdfunding platform that gave me a hat. Where is it? See? CrowdRise hat. We have rewards like that for you and your donations. Please, take good care. Season's greetings, prayers, and peace on earth.